Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see document object model in JavaScript. The document object model is a programming API for HTML and XML documents. The document object represents the whole HTML document. When HTML document is loaded in the browser, it becomes a document object. All the objects are arranged as tree structure. Document object has various properties that refer to other objects which allow access to and modification of document content. Okay, so basically here the object is nothing but the whole HTML document. Whenever your page is loaded onto the browser, then the one document which is opened, it is nothing but the document object. Okay, and the way that document content is accessed and modified is called the document object model or DOM. You're getting this? Whenever a HTML document is executed onto your web browser or the window, we can say, then it is treated as document object, and the way that document content is accessed and modified is called the document object model or DOM. Right? Next. And here we can say all the objects are arranged in a hierarchical manner. Okay? All the objects are arranged in an hierarchical manner. Like a tree-like structure we can see over here. The very first one you can see here, the root element is nothing but window. The root element is the window. Okay? Then next everything comes afterwards, like document, history, screen, navigator and location. Again, your document is having like anchor, form, link, right? And your form is again having the objects like text, text area, checkbox, radio, select, reset and button. Again, this select object is having the option object, right? This is how the objects are arranged in a tree-like structure. Okay, and here we say that the root element is nothing but the window, or the root object is nothing but the window object. Okay. Next, DOM document object, that is the HTML DOM document object is the owner of all other objects in your web page. Okay. The HTML DOM document object is the owner of all the objects in your web page. Your method for this is write ln, get element by ID, get element by name, get elements by tag name. Okay, and these are the description for this methods. Like if I take the method write and in the bracket string, then what this method is going to do, writes the given string on the document. Okay, like next example here we can see get element by ID. This returns the element having the given ID value, right? Having the given ID value. If I take in paragraph P and ID is equals to demo, and if you pass in this parenthesis, then it is going to return the paragraph element. Okay? Property over here is nothing but inner HTML. Description holds the HTML inside a set of HTML tags, right? Next is window object. This is the top of the hierarchy, that is nothing but the root object. The window object represents a window in a browser. Okay, an object of window is created automatically by the browser, right? An example here is window.open in the bracket, what we are passing as the parenthesis, that is welcome.html. So this is nothing but the HTML file which we are trying to open into the browser. Is it clear? Next, method of window objects are alert, confirm, prompt, open, close, set time out. Okay, so these are the method of your window object. Like if I say I'm making use of the alert object, then it displays the alert method, then it displays the alert box containing message with OK button, right? And if I say confirm method, Then this display confirm dialog box containing message with OK and cancel button. Okay. Then prompt, it displays a dialog box to get input from the user. Open, opens the new window. Close, closes the current window. Set timeout, performs action after specified time like calling function, evaluating expression, and so on. Next is screen object. The JavaScript screen object holds information of browser screen. It can be used to display screen width, height, color depth, pixel, etc. It can be accessed by window.screen or just you're going to write screen. Okay? Window.screen or just you're going to write screen. Properties of screen objects are width, height, eval width, eval height, color depth, pixel depth. Okay? So here, width is going to return the width of the screen. Height is going to return the height of the screen. Eval width returns the available width. Similarly, eval height returns the available height. Color depth returns the color depth. Returns the pixel depth. Okay? Next, location object. The window.location object can be used to get the current page address, that is URL, and to redirect the browser to a new page. Here these are the properties and these are the description of these properties. Like if I take location.path_name, then this returns the path and file name of the current page. Okay. If I take location.assign, it is going to load a new document. Okay. So these are the properties and these are the descriptions of the location object. Next, history object. The JavaScript history object represents an array of URLs visited by the user. So basically this is going to keep the record of history the user has visited the sites. Okay. By using this object, you can load previous, forward or any particular page the user has visited. Okay. And it is accessed as window.history or just you're going to write history. Right. Next, the property of this history object is length. It returns the length of the history URL. Then method, forward, back and go. Forward loads the next page. Back loads the previous page. Go loads the given page number. Right? Next, navigator object. The JavaScript navigator object is used for browser detection. It can be used to get browser information such as app name, app code name, user agent, etc. And the example here is window.navigator or just navigator. The properties are app name, app version, it is going to return the version. Like system language, returns the system language and it is supported in IE only. Okay. Then next is nothing but app version, returns the version. Right. Next, pop-up boxes. There are three types of pop-up boxes. We can say over here, that is alert box, confirm box and prompt box. Okay. What is alert box? An alert box is often used if you want to make sure information comes through the user. When an alert box pops up, the user will have to click OK to proceed. Syntax, window.alert, some text or alert some text. Example here you can say alert, I am an alert box. Okay. Next, confirm box. A confirm box is often used if you want the user to verify or accept something. When a confirm box pops up, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed. This is the example. Okay. Confirm, press a button. Prompt box. A prompt box is often used if you want the user to input a value before entering a page. And here this is the example where variable name cursor is equals to prompt. Please enter your name. Right. So these are the three boxes we have seen over here. Right. So this is what the document object model in the JavaScript. Thank you for watching the video.